The passing of retired Supreme Court Justice David Souter at the age of 85 marks the end of a significant chapter in American judicial history. Souter's nearly 2 decades on the nation's highest court were characterized by his intellectual rigor, his commitment to judicial moderation, and his profound belief in the importance of civic education. His legacy extends beyond his notable opinions to encompass his quiet dignity and his unwavering dedication to public service. Here's a deeper look into the life and legacy of Justice David Souter. Early life and education. David Hackett Souter was born on September 17, 1939, in Melrose, Massachusetts. He grew up in Ware, New Hampshire, a state that would remain dear to him throughout his life. He excelled academically, graduating from Harvard College in 1961. He continued his education as a Rhodes Scholar at Magdalen College, Oxford University, where he earned a master's degree in jurisprudence. His educational background instilled in him a deep appreciation for the humanities and a strong sense of intellectual curiosity. Path to the Supreme Court. Souter's legal career began in New Hampshire, where he served as Assistant Attorney General and later as Attorney General. He rose through the state's judicial system, serving as a trial court judge and then as a justice on the New Hampshire Supreme Court. His reputation for integrity and judicial competence caught the attention of President George H.W. Bush, who nominated him to the U.S. Supreme Court in 1990. During his confirmation hearings, Souter's moderate judicial philosophy was evident, though his precise leanings were not definitively clear, which was part of the reason he was seen as a good choice for the president at that time. President Bush's description of Souter as a remarkable judge of keen intellect and the highest ability proved to be accurate. Tenure on the Supreme Court. Souter served on the Supreme Court from 1990 to 2009. Initially, he was expected to be a conservative voice on the court, given his Republican appointment. However, he gradually emerged as a moderate and often aligned himself with the court's liberal wing. His judicial philosophy was characterized by a respect for precedent and a cautious approach to overturning established law. He played a crucial role in several landmark cases, including Planned Parenthood v. Casey 1992. In this case, Souter, along with Justices Sandra Day O'Connor and Anthony Kennedy, co-authored the controlling opinion that reaffirmed the essential holding of Roe v. Wade, which established a woman's right to an abortion. This decision demonstrated his willingness to uphold precedent and his nuanced approach to complex legal issues. Bush v. Gore 2000. Souter joined the dissenting opinions in this highly controversial case, which effectively decided the 2000 presidential election. His dissent reflected his concern about the court's intrusion into state electoral processes. His opinions showed a deep respect for the Constitution's separation of powers and a wariness of the court overstepping its